Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone. In this video, I am going to talk about what is system software. So watch this video till the end, and I have uploaded some videos related to the software topic. If you have not seen these videos yet, so definitely watch it. Videos link is in the description box of this video. So friends, let's get started of this video. So friends, before starting this video, let us know a little bit about what software is. Software is a collection of instructions, data or programs that tell a computer how to perform specific tasks or functions. It's a non-tangible component of a computer system that enables it to perform various operations, from running applications and games to managing hardware devices and data. Software can be categorized into system software and application software based on its purpose and functionality. What is system software? System software is a category of computer software especially designed to manage and facilitate the operation of computer hardware, as well as provide a platform for running application software. It serves as an intermediary layer between the hardware and application software, ensuring that various hardware components work harmoniously and efficiently. So friends, here are the key components of system software. First one is operating system, that is also called as OS, means operating system. So what is it? The central and most essential component of system software. The operating system manages hardware resources, schedules tasks, provides a user interface, and facilitates communication between software applications and hardware devices. Common examples include Mac OS, Windows, Linux, and Android. So these are some examples of operating system, that is OS. Second one is device drivers. These are software modules that enables communication between the operating system and specific hardware devices such as graphics cards, printers, and network adapters. Device drivers ensure hardware compatibility and proper functioning. Third one is language processor. So language processor is also a system software. A language processor is a software tool or program that translates high-level programming code, which is written by a human programmer, into machine code that can be executed by a computer central processing unit, means CPU. It plays a fundamental role in the development and execution of software applications. There are several types of language processors, including first one is compiler. A compiler translates an entire program written in a high-level programming language, example Java, C, C++, into machine code all at once. The resulting machine code can be executed independently of the original source code. Second one is interpreter. An interpreter translates high-level code into machine code line by line or statement by statement, executing each part immediately. Interpreted languages include Python and JavaScript. Third one is assembler. An assembler translates assembly language code into machine code. It is used for low-level programming and is often used in system programming. These language processors are essential for software development and are categorized as system software because they interact directly with the underlying hardware and operating system to enable the execution of applications. They help bridge the gap between human-readable high-level code and machine-executable instructions, making it possible for computers to run software applications. Next one is firmware. Firmware is software embedded in hardware components like BIOS, means basic input output system in computers, microcode in processors, and firmware in devices like routers and smartphones. It plays a crucial role in initializing hardware during the boot up process. So friends, overall we can say that system software is fundamental for the proper functioning of a computer and serves as a foundation upon which application software can be built and executed. It abstracts the complexities of hardware, providing a standardized environment for software development and execution. So friend, this is for all today. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching friends and have a good day.